Hey, did you know that you don't have to be good at identifying trend directions to make money trading Forex? What if I tell you that you don't need to predict what the market is doing or where the market is going to profit consistently? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing that you need a highly accurate trend analysis to make money trading Forex. And while that is important, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today that's going to change the way you make money trading Forex forever. I'm Dave Vidal, and I am a retail Forex trader who has made his first 100% capital return in 2013 by turning $100 into $200 in just 10 months. I've also repeated the same feat by turning $1,000 into $1,800 in January 2014, using nothing more than price action and a Samsung Note smartphone. So what is my approach to making money trading Forex? It's called the Structure, Setup and Signal Framework. It's a proven framework that turns random market movement into predictable price action that you can profit immediately without the fear of being wrong or taking on huge risk. Before that, I'm going to share with you the 3 secrets about this formula and how you can use this to help you increase trading accuracy, restore confidence, and grow your account really fast. I know what you're probably thinking. You've probably been to a 2-day paid bootcamp, or you've tried every magic indicator and every automated system. But again, I'm just going to share with you what has been working for me so far, and there is a shortcut you can use to spot winning trading opportunities without spending hours behind the screen and still get amazing results. So the first secret: the value structure. I believe this is the most effective indicator to track where the market is going in real time. The big idea here is the market likes to test new levels and retest old levels. Because of this, history has a way of repeating itself. And what happens before will happen again. This is extremely important because you don't want to predict what the market is doing or where it wants to go. You can easily make money just by simply following the tracks. The second secret: the predictable setup. The setup technique that shows you exactly where the market is going and whether it is doing a good job getting there. The main thing to understand here is that you don't have to be good at reading price action or participating at every turn. You just need to be good at spotting one pattern to profit big. This means, if you use this simple technique properly, you can actually force the market to tell you where it is going, and all you have to do is to enter your trade where it had been. If the momentum is there, you will make money. The third secret is how to get the market to tell you where it is going and exposed up to 3 times the trading opportunities from one pattern. This is key because you only want to trade markets that are making big moves and not just any moves. The one move that you know very well, like how it looks when you win and what it looks like if you are wrong. I have handled 10 losses in a row, but I didn't lose much because I cut my losses much earlier by knowing what isn't there when I got it wrong. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's going to take forever to understand and apply these 3 secrets to make trading Forex profitable for you. Plus, it's probably complicated and requires quick reflexes and lightning-fast thinking. Well, the tricky thing is that most of what is being taught in the marketplace is completely wrong. People are telling you that you can solve your problem with just one indicator, and that you should use trend lines or you shouldn't trade against the trend, or trade anything below 1 hour. And so, I've developed this 3-step formula written inside this book so you too can apply and accelerate your result at your own pace. I've used this time-tested formula and it works on any time frame. I've even used this recently on $TSLA. Yet nobody's teaching it. The reason I believe that it isn't taught is because nobody realizes it's that simple. Everyone wants to be a genius when it comes to predicting what the market is going to do next. But nothing is further from the truth if you want to have winning trades and consistent profits. And that is to get the market to tell you where it wants to go and make money just by following its tracks. This by itself gives you the roadmap you need to go from where you are now, which is probably more red days, fear and uncertainty, to where you want to be. Just by following these simple proven formula you can use to instantly spot winning trades, destroy any doubts, and truly achieve what you always wanted. If you'd like to have more green days and an ever-growing trading account, this will be the most important life-changing book you'll ever read. When you click the link below, you will get your free book, just pay shipping and handling. I honestly don't know how much longer we'll keep this free book promotion going because this is a marketing test and when stocks are gone, they are gone. I'll also be offering a lifetime email support for the first 1,000 customers. So click the link below to get it today while it's still available. We're always here to help, and I can't tell you all the amazing results I've gotten for myself, who was once like you, struggling to find profitable trades and growing my account for more than a month. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.